So today we're doing point counts for buntings up at our high elevation site and our mid elevation site. Kim put out some grid points for us to do counts at. We're only doing buntings, so this should be pretty easy, I'm hoping. But it's a lot colder up here than I would like, especially considering we're at like 8,000 feet. But hopefully we can get some buntings. We haven't heard any here yet at all. So it might be some pretty quiet counts. They're the same setup as the Hubbard Brook counts I did last summer. So, you know, I'm a little bit rusty, but these should be pretty easy otherwise. Yeah, we'll see what we can find. So this is something we found last time. We're not really sure what it's for, but it's just a bunch of metal poles and some fencing sticking on the ground. It looks pretty old and it looks really destroyed. It was something at one point. There's also some batteries and stuff in there that I think were connected to some solar panels. But what it is, I have no idea. Maybe a weather station? At any rate, it's kind of cool, and my next point is right next to it. Alright, so as you can see, there's not a lot here, so we're only counting buntings, and there's a ton of other birds, but no buntings so far. I do have to say it gets pretty boring just standing and listening for birds that aren't here, but at least it's a nice day out.